Wait, look serious. Walking through a waterfall. It was so windy, couldn't even like use my fingers to get my phone out of my pocket. Took my glasses off in fear of them blowing off my fucking head. And now, look at it. You can see from us, we started off somewhere way down there. Been walking for about 2.5 hours. A lot further to go. I just wanted you to see how bad it is. Really wet, really windy. We can't even see where we come from anymore. The terrain is so rocky and it's horrible. There's already one man down my back. He might not be far behind. Good news. Dan is on his way back up. He decided to change of heart when the weather, well, I say when the weather got better, I said when the rain stopped. It's still awful, it's still so windy. We're about 20 minutes from the top now, 15, 20 minutes away. It's still like horrible out here. It feels like we're in a different country. We found a grave, but we're so close to the top. I can feel us getting there. We're going slowly, waiting for Dan, but we're going to make it. All of us, all three of us are going to make it up here. Yeah! Yeah! This is it. This is it. We made it to the top. It is a fucking wasteland out here. But this is it. This is it. We made it to the top. We fucking did it. I think I'm going to jump off this. So, update. We are in the town of Tain. And, we broke down one of the locking nuts on the front right hand side wheel have all come off. Not the camp that we were expecting. This is the poshest room we stayed. It's not a travel lodge. We're in the Royal Hotel. And a kettle and a telly and all sorts really. We've got 2 rooms because they didn't have any kind of 3-person room. And the view, wow, wonderful. We made it. We made it. This is it. It's very dark, but we are here. I'm at the most north I can possibly be. We are at John O'Gloats, baby. It's gone 9 o'clock. It's fucking dark. It's fucking windy, but we made it. I'm at the end of a dock that I'm not supposed to be on. But look at this. This is sick. We're here. Yes.